Absolutely smashed it, guys. I can't believe it.
Well, it's safe to say you certainly wouldn't lose this in a car park.
Yeah, you're too right. We haven't done one of these yet, neither.
We haven't done anything heavily modified either. Let's find out a little bit more. Owner Luke bought this Nissan Silvia S15 in 2018. Since then, the car has been wrapped no less than 4 times. This man is clearly not afraid to make a statement. The car is constantly on show, so the wrap has always got to be on point. Today is all about wrap maintenance and protection. It is your job to give the Silvia back its showroom shine.
Nice, something a little bit different to do today then.
Let's have a proper look around. I've got a feeling this is big power. I want to have a look under the engine bay. Massive turbo. Only 4 pistons as well.
Yeah, but it's a little bit dull. I think we can revive this for him.
Yeah, definitely something to be brought back. Loving this aggressive wheel setup and beautifully open, nice and easy to clean.
However, one thing I have noticed, it's an absolute dirt trap down the side of this car.
Splitters and side skirts, they look great, but that is just a shell for the dirt, isn't it? Let's see what the back's doing. Big old exhaust, I bet it sounds like thunder.
But I have noticed the back of the car is peppered in tar dots.
Absolutely, I'll be honest, Joe, I am falling in love with this car.
Shall we have a look at the inside?
Yeah. Not bad, used.
Could definitely do with some love though.
Yeah, for sure, but nothing dreadful. Where do you want to start?
The wheels?
Cool. We've got some big boy brakes, therefore we've got some big boy brake dust. I'm going to hit this with 2 chemicals, a wheel cleaner, then a snow foam. This is going to give us a layer of lubrication so we don't start scratching the alloys with the brake dust. With the right tools, we've got deep cleaned alloy wheels in less than 5 minutes. One down, 3 to go. There's loads of misconceptions around wrapped vehicles. For the pre-wash and contact wash stage, treat them like paint. Where you do want to be careful is the decontamination bit, but we'll get into that later on.
Now, a top tip for you at home, if you've got a wrapped vehicle, these areas usually have a little bit of exposed adhesive and always pick up dirt. Grab a soft detailing brush and just give them a tickle. Every other car wash, every 3rd car wash, when you're doing your snow foam, it keeps the wrap cleaner for longer. Despite the fact that Jack's wearing shorts today, it's pretty cold out, so we've got warm water in the buckets.
This is also going to help ease the dirt off the panel and reduce the chance of scratching the wrap. We always use the 2-bucket wash method, but it is essential on a wrapped vehicle. We want to take the dirt out of circulation, reduce the chance of scratching the wrap. There's nothing worse than protecting a car and realising it's still wet. We're going to take a blower, get into all the nooks and crannies and make sure it's bone dry. The S15 is clean, dry and away from the rain, so it's time to decontaminate. Ordinarily, you would spray the product directly onto the panel, but because this tyre and glue remover is solvent-based, there's a chance that it can lift the wrap. So we need to spray it onto a cloth, apply it to the affected areas, give it 10-15 seconds to do its thing, and then wipe it off. This eliminates the chance of the product getting behind the wrap and lifting it away from the panel.
The car's now decontaminated properly. You'll notice we didn't use a clay bar because they're too abrasive on a wrap surface. It's time to polish.
This bonnet is carbon fibre. If it's smooth, that means it's been clear coated and you can treat it like normal paint.
Now, in the same way dirt can build up around the edges, product can too. Steer clear of the edges and you won't have this problem. This is the most important tip when polishing a wrapped car.
Decontaminating a wrap is really tricky, so adding a protective layer is essential. This is going to stop the dirt from bonding to the wrap. Unfortunately, a damaged wrap needs to be removed, so prevention is key. Contrary to popular belief, there is no need to buy wrap-specific products. We've just sealed this wrap using paint sealant. Let's enjoy the fruits of our labour. If water won't stick to it, dirt won't either.
Time to tackle the bay. Time for the interior. So the interior is all done. What have we got left?
Glass, tyres, and I want to have a go at that exhaust. Finishing touches. Well, Joe, it is safe to say the Silvia is back to its showroom shine.
I didn't think we were going to get much of a transformation, but different car now.
The pink is popping.
Shall we see what he thinks?
Absolutely. Luke, how are you?
Yeah, not bad. How are you?
Very well. S15, I have absolutely fallen in love. Is this your first Japanese car?
It's my second one.
Okay. And obviously far from standard.
Yes.
Did you do all the bits yourself?
Yes.
Did you? What sort of power? Because that turbo is enormous.
So it's 515 to the wheels, so it's about 600 to the crank.
That can't be the only engine you've ever had in it.
It's my second engine, yeah.
So the wrap on the car at the moment is pretty leery. Is that the only colour that's been on the car?
No, it's actually been 4 different colours, so.
At the same time, or?
No, it was satin black.
Right.
Then it was like a half livery with green chrome down the side of it.
Yep.
Then it went to Midnight Purple 3, which was like a purpley blue effect.
Yep.
And now it's pink.
So you're not afraid to make a statement with the colour of your car?
I don't
like
mind.
It, I like it.
So whilst we can see you've built the car to be driven, it is a show car. Does it get a lot of attention?
Yeah, it does get a lot of attention. I try to attend as many shows as I can in the car. You know, a lot of people love the car.
So, we're at the end of show season. Obviously, it's been used. Needed a little bit of love. Do you want to sit?
Yes, please. Oh my God, that is amazing. Oh, wow. How glossy it is, so shiny. Oh, wow, I'm amazed. Oh, wow. Oh my. Amazing, absolutely amazing. That is proper clean.
Are you buzzing?
Absolutely smashed it, guys. I can't believe it.
Thank you, mate. The pink, whilst it was bright this morning, it's just glowing now and
It's
then.
loud.
Yeah, it's loud.
It's loud.
We've actually covered it in a sealant for you, so maintenance throughout the winter is going to be so much easier as well.
Perfect. That's great. Thank you, guys. You guys done an amazing job. Shout out to the clean team. You guys smashed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for letting us play with it.
Yeah, pleasure. Real pleasure.
Thank you, guys.